So as we're peeling these off, we want to keep our presentation very simple, very elegant, but also a lot of flavor to it. So we're taking our tiger shrimp, kind of cleaning them off, and that's exactly how they should look. So this is one of the things you always want to watch out for when you're cleaning any type of shrimp. There's always that little bit of resin that you want to get out. Make sure it's thoroughly out of there. It's the lower cavity. And you can do this by simply just giving it a simple wash. That's that. And I know you're probably thinking, well, did I drown the flavor out of the white wine, the garlic, the butter, the shallots? No, you didn't. You're just getting that stuff out of there that you don't really want to eat. So you can tell these are butterflied. They're opening up. Those look so great right there. My guests are going to love these this evening. So we're going to peel away, and we want to get it right till about there. And just a simple firm grip and come back up the side, and they peel right off. See how simple that was? And let me just, by the way, let you know that these shells right here, you can always reheat them. If you can't do anything with them right away, you can always wrap them up, freeze them. Then from there, thaw them out and make a wonderful seafood stock out of these. So, the wonderful thing about French cooking is that they never let anything go. So that's as far as our shrimp.